Hello, my name is Nico. Thank you for joining me today in this quick look at the Tutima Grand Flieger Airport Chronograph, reference 6401-03. This is a certified German chronometer according to the DIN 8319, which is a similar certification process to the COSC in that the movement is tested in several different positions, different temperatures, but the DIN 8319 is more stringent in two ways. One, the movement must feature a stop-second function, and two, the movement is tested while completely assembled in the case. So when you get this watch, you get it just as it was tested in Glashütte. This watch is on a Kevlar strap with red stitching and stainless steel folding clasp, and is also available on a stainless steel bracelet. The case is stainless steel with a diameter of 43 millimeters and a case height of 16 millimeters. This watch features a coin edge bezel with luminous reference marker. In between the chronograph pushers, you have your large screw-in crown. At the front of the watch, you have your domed sapphire crystal. And turning the watch over, you have a screw-in case back, as well as another sapphire crystal, giving you a view of the caliber Tutima 320 automatic movement. The movement features 25 jewels, polished screws, and Tutima gold seal on the rotor. When fully wound, this watch has a power reserve of 48 hours. The case has been pressure tested to 20 atmospheres. The dial is velvet black, and starting at the 12 o'clock position, you have your chronograph 30-minute counter. At the 3 o'clock position, you have your date function. At the 6 o'clock position, you have your chronograph 12-hour counter in red. And at the 9 o'clock position, you have your small seconds. At the center of the watch, you have your luminous hour and minute hand, as well as your chronograph second hand in red. Thank you for checking out this video. If you'd like to see this watch in person, please feel free to visit your local authorized Tutima dealer and try it on.